Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Verizon Fios router is slowing down, dropping connections, or acting unstable, a reboot is often the fastest way to restore normal performance. Routers continuously manage multiple devices and network requests, and over time, temporary glitches or memory overload can affect how smoothly everything runs. Instead of troubleshooting complex settings right away, restarting the router clears these minor issues and refreshes the entire network connection. Many users overlook how effective a proper reboot can be, especially when done the right way. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reboot your Verizon Fios router, step by step. Try these. Step 1. Unplug the router from the power source. Step 2. Wait for a short period to allow a complete reset. Step 3. Ensure all cables remain securely connected. Step 4. Plug the router back into the power outlet. Step 5. Wait for the router to fully restart and reconnect. Step 6. Check your internet connection to confirm it's working.